Hello guys, so I bought this coffee maker, 12 cup switch coffee maker from a ShopRite today. I paid only like $8. Original price was 13, but it was on sale. So let's see how it works. It's the manual. It's pretty huge for the price. The top Mr. Coffee, I believe made from China. Yeah, very short cable. I already washed it, but I don't have any filter right now. Okay, this time I put some water here, and I don't have filter right now, so I just poured some coffee beans here. And let's start and wait for it up and get your coffee. I'm gonna try this cheesecake with my coffee and sugar, cream and sugar. It's heat up pretty quick. So now I'll turn this off. Make sure this goes here, nothing coming out. It's my coffee. Look, very good. I'm trying with Nescafe, my favorite. So it's good. You should try Mr. Coffee. Cheesecake, Paris baguette.